Welcome back to the Edulexis 90-Day Python Programming course. I am your instructor. Today is day 59, and we are building something super exciting and practical, a custom QR code generator using Python. Have you ever wondered how restaurants, payment apps, and websites instantly share links using tiny black and white squares? Today, you are going to write your own Python program to generate professional QR codes for any website or text you want. Let's dive right in. Before writing code, let's understand how QR codes work. QR stands for Quick Response. It is basically a 2D barcode that stores text, web links, or contact info in a grid of pixels. Python doesn't build QR codes natively out of the box, but thanks to Python's massive package ecosystem, we can install specialized libraries that do the heavy lifting for us in just a few lines of clean code. To make our QR code generator, we need an external library named qrcode along with Pillow, which handles image processing. Open up your terminal or command prompt and type pip install qrcode pil. Press enter. You will see installation progress bars. Once finished, Python is fully equipped to generate images. If you encounter any permission errors, remember to use Python rem pip install. Now open your code editor VS Code or PyCharm, whatever you prefer. Create a new Python file and call it qr_generator.py. In line 1, we import our newly installed tool by typing import qrcode. This single word gives our script access to all QR generation functions. Always make sure your imported library matches your installed package name without any typos. Writing the core logic is surprisingly simple in Python. Look at this. We create a variable called img and set it equal to qrcode.make, passing our website link inside quotes. https://www.edulexis.com. Next, we call img.save edulexis_qr.png. That is literally it. 2 lines of functional code to generate a complete QR code image. Save directly in your project folder. Let's run this script to see it in action. Open your terminal and run python qr_generator.py. Notice how fast it executes, less than a second. Now check your folder. You will see a brand new PNG image file. Let's open it up. There is our crisp QR code. Grab your smartphone camera right now, point it at your computer screen, and test it. It will instantly prompt you to open the Edulexis website. A basic QR code is great, but what if we want to customize its size, borders, and error correction? For that, we use the advanced QR code class. Instead of the simple make function, we create a QR code object. Let's look at the parameters. Version controls the size grid from 1 to 40. Error_correction determines how well the QR code scans. Even if partially damaged, box_size sets pixel dimensions per box, and border sets white space around the edges. Let's write out this advanced setup step by step. We define qr equals qrcode.qrcode, version equals 1. Error_correction equals qrcode.constants.error_correct_h. Box_size equals 10, border equals 4. Setting error correction to H4. High means our QR code can withstand up to 30% damage or occlusion and still scan successfully. This is professional grade configuration made easy for beginners. Now that our QR object is configured with our rules, we need to add the actual data we want to encode. Type qr add_data, Edulexis Python course. After adding data, we call qr make fit equals true. This ensures the QR matrix automatically scales and adjusts to fit all our data perfectly, without clipping or formatting errors. Beginners often forget the fit equals true parameter, so make sure to include it. Here is where the magic happens: customizing colors. Standard QR codes are boring black and white. With Python, we can match our brand colors. We call ing equals qr.make_image, fill_color equals a navy, back_color equals a light yellow. You can use standard color names or hex codes like #1b365d. This instantly changes the QR code appearance while keeping it fully scannable. Let's save this as custom_qr.png. Writing scripts is good, but writing reusable functions is what professional programmers do. Let's wrap our code inside a neat function called generate_QR data file name. By doing this, we can generate multiple different QR codes anytime we want without rewriting our setup logic. This teaches modular programming, a core concept in our Edulexis curriculum. To make our program interactive, let's replace hard-coded text with user input. We use Python's built-in input function. User_text equals input, enter text or URL to generate QR. Then we ask for the output file name. Now, whenever anyone runs our script, they can type whatever website or message they want on the fly. It transforms a static script into a dynamic application. Robust programs always include error handling. What if the user types invalid characters or disk space is full? We wrap our generation logic in a try-except block. If successful, we print a friendly success message in the terminal: QR code generated successfully. If an error occurs, the except block catches it gracefully and prints the error description instead of crashing the program. Let's do a quick end-to-end review of our complete script. From importing qrcode, configuring parameters, applying custom navy and light yellow colors, wrapping it in a function, adding user input, to handling errors safely. Everything is under 30 lines of clean, readable Python code. This is the beauty of Python: powerful capabilities with minimal syntax. Fantastic job today! You have successfully built a fully customizable QR code generator in Python. You can now use this for your personal projects, business cards, or restaurant menus. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and check out the full Edulexis 90-day Python programming course link in the description below. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you tomorrow in day 60. Happy coding!
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.